Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People, and today I'm going to feature baked swai fish, and these are the ingredients that I'll use. I'll use a tablespoon of each one of these, and it's a tablespoon of Cholula, Tabasco, Louisiana sauce, Worcester sauce, lemon and lime juice, and the Tony's Creole seasoning. Now that I only use about a teaspoon of that because it's kind of strong. But I'll put it in the pan. I've placed all of those in the pan here. And what I did was took my swai fish and cut it in fours because it came in two. And then I'll just drizzle this. I heated this on top of the stove in my pan and just kind of melt half a stick of butter in there with it as well. That helps it brown. It gives it a real good rich taste. And then I cook it. Turn my oven on 365, and I cook mine for about 45 minutes to an hour because I like it when it gets that brown crust around the edges. So, but some people may not like it their fish cooked that long. But this is a great fish to serve with a salad. And you can get this swai fish at Walmart in the frozen area. They come in either small bag or large bag. And it's not that expensive. It's about $14 to $15 for the large bag. And you get quite a few fillets in there. But I'm going to put this in the oven and let it cook in about an hour. And then I'll come back. And while you're waiting, be sure to hit your subscribe button so you can automatically get those new recipes coming down the line. And again, these are the ingredients that will go into this baked fish to make it terrific. Okay, and you plus that half a stick of butter. All right, I'll be back. Stand by. Okay, this is my fish after an hour cooking, and you see the crust around it. That's what I like. That's why I cook it a little longer. Okay, this is the final product. It's plated, and we're ready to eat dinner. So be sure to let me know how yours come out. And it is delicious. I'm serving it with green beans, salad, and rice, and a couple of shrimps. So be sure to subscribe, comment, and like it if you like it. Talk to you later. Love, love.